Can I show you how a simple mustard sauce can transform this grilled chicken into a meal that you will continue to remember? Any home cook can do this.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
Now, because the chicken is not even, this part of the chicken will definitely cook quicker than the other half. So what we'll do is we'll put the chicken breast in a plastic bag, put this aside, nice and flat, get the mallet. This is for tenderizing, I want to flatten it out. I think I will pound it a little bit more. I want it a little bit more flat and even, but you got the idea. If you don't have one of these mallets, you can use a very small heavy base pan or something to that effect to do the same thing. There you have it. Perfectly even. So that'll go on a rack to be salted. And we'll do the next one as well. And there's the second piece, nice and flat, so that'll go on the rack. I'm going to salt these now to tenderize them and get them ready, but they will go in the fridge. The longer you leave them in there, the better. You can leave them in here for, up to 10 hours if that's what you want. That would certainly be a good thing, but who's got 10 hours? So I'm going to use my hands. I've washed my hands, so just generally salt these on both sides. So use this hand to turn it over and salt these as well. And there we have it. The chicken's been salted. So what I'm going to do now is put this in the fridge and forget about it for a few hours. While the chicken's in the fridge, we'll start making the sauce. I'll introduce a little bit of water to start with. So just a tiny bit of water. And that's all the ingredients for the sauce. So gently mix this. We'll cook this for about 15 minutes. We're not really cooking it, we're just going to heat it up and make sure it all combines together to form a delicious sauce that will coat the chicken. I might add a little bit more water because I can see this is going to reduce, even though I've got it on low heat. The water can always evaporate, so that's not a problem. So I'll add a bit more water. So this has been cooking now for just a minute or so. I've mixed it all in. I'll just try a little bit just to see where we're at. Very, very tangy. Quite a lot of heat. Perfect. Keep an eye on it. You do not want this to dry, so you might have to add a little bit more water. And here's the sauce. It's been cooking for 10 or so minutes and it's ready. So we'll switch this off and set it aside until we need it. And there's the chicken. It's just come out of the, the fridge. It's been in the fridge for about 2.5 hours. There's not a lot of moisture on the skin, which is what we wanted. Just lightly, very lightly, salt them again. Just tiny little bit of salt on both sides. and then we'll put them on the griddle. Put the heat on high. While I've got the pumpkin here, I'll just add a little bit of oil on them and mix them up. The mushrooms as well that have been cut, they won't get oiled. And I've got some broccoli which I'm going to basically just steam. I want it hot. I just wanted to create something that's a little bit different. And I think I've done it. This mustard sauce with all its condiments brings this chicken up to another level. And you know what? It's easy. It's really easy to make, as you've seen. Please try it at home. I am so sure that your family will love it. And your friends. Thank you for watching. And until the next time, this is Alex. Bye for now. You must be sick of me saying that this is delicious. But I do like these meals. It is delicious. It's tangy. It's got a little bit of heat from the chili. The salt, the pepper's brought out that chicken. It's nice and juicy inside. The sauce just has covered everything. It's not often that I'm lost for words, but I'm lost for words. It's a beautiful meal. Can a meal be beautiful? No, it can't be beautiful. It's a very tasty meal. It's a very, very comforting meal. It's a very rewarding meal. Anyone that sits down to eat these will enjoy it. And you can serve it, well, I've got some broccoli here, some roasted vegetables. Cut.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's together for a meal tonight.